We are getting a first-hand look at the work being done to restore gravestones at a Jewish cemetery in Montgomery County. The Har Hasetim Cemetery in Gladwin opened in the late 1800s. Twice a year, a gravestone restorer comes to the historic site to refurbish the stones in graves. Because of the history behind the cemetery, there are no loved ones to care for the graves, and they deteriorate. That's when Joe Ferrannini steps in.
These are the last memory of these individuals. And it's a piece of history that we're forgetting. These were the poor immigrants that came here. It was threatened for years, and to save it and keep it here where they chose to be buried.
The Beth David Reform Congregation took over ownership of the cemetery in 1999. Then, the Friends of Gladwin Jewish Memorial Cemetery was formed with the goal of preserving the landmark and honoring the significance of the site.